Hello, my name is Lucy, and today I'm going to be explaining to you about the phases of the moon. So the first thing that I just am going to explain is my teacher did this in a really good way. He said, so hang on, I have to do this. So this is, since it's the left side, this is waning, and the right side is waxing. I'm going to explain that to you now. So this is the moon, and there's one side of the moon, this side that is facing me over here, this side. You guys will never be able to see that side. So here's the sun. You only see part of the moon, and then you see more of the moon and more. This is waxing because it is on the right side. And now I hit the full moon phase, so this is crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, waning crescent, and new moon when the side of the moon that is illuminated is facing me. So since you only see this side of the moon is facing me, and then so this technically when you are in here, why we call it first quarter is because that is only quarter of the moon, and a full moon is technically only half of a moon. And then this is a quarter, so this is third quarter over here, and this is first quarter over here. And now and now here is the Earth. I think I have my proportions right. This is the moon. So here's the Earth. Here, I'll put it down low. Here's the Earth. This is the moon. This side of the moon, the Earth will never see this side of the moon. And now we have our dear sun. See if I can get it a little brighter, maybe. Okay. So the sun is rising and setting. And then here, when it's nighttime, you see these are the phases of the moon. And when it's new moon, which is the first phase, the sun is over here. You cannot see the illuminated side of the moon. Now it's coming over here, you see a little bit, which is waxing crescent. Waxing crescent, first quarter, or half moon. Waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, crescent, and then the cycle starts over. Now I can turn this up a little bit. So waning and waxing. Okay. So I'm just gonna do this back. So waning is this side, and it comes alphabetically before waxing. So this is waning, and then here we go, and then waxing is over here when the moon is getting bigger. So when the moon is getting bigger, it is waxing. When the moon is getting smaller, it is waning. And waning, I like to think of it, my teacher explained it like in a really good way. I am easing or waning my strictness. I can still be like crabby at you, but I'm waning my strictness, and you guys aren't messing up a lot. So I feel like that is what it is. So a gibbous moon, because I think this is one of the most hard ones. Sorry, I like to do it. It is not full. There's a little piece of the moon that is not full, and this is full. This is a full moon. I can't get it really right because I'd have to have it this side, but here. And then, so fun fact: when the sun is shining on this side, it is a full moon, or it appears to us to be a full moon, but really, it is a half moon, because you never see this side of the moon, which is a whole nother half of the moon. And now, we call this first quarter because it is a quarter of the moon. That, as I said, you don't see the full sphere. So scientists, if you want to sound like astronomery, it's quarter moon, not full moon. It just appears to us to be a full moon because the sun's rays are shining and we never see the other side of the moon, so it appears to us to be full, but it really is not full. I just want to explain waning one more time, because that's waxing and waning, because this is waxing, because this is on the left side, so this is waxing. No, sorry, don't listen to anything I just said. So this is left, so this is waning. This is waxing, and because the light is slowly getting bigger, and the light is slowly getting smaller. Waxing and waning. So, I had one question. Does the moon have a full rotation, like Earth's full rotation, like this way? The revolution is around here. I'll put the sun in the middle. Turn it on. I can't really see it. It illuminates my face a little bit. So, a revolution, is one full spin around the sun, or orbit, whatever you would like to refer to. And then a rotation is the one spin on the Earth's axis that takes approximately 25 days. And one full moon rotation from waxing crescent to first quarter to waxing gibbous to full moon to waning gibbous to waning crescent to new moon. That takes approximately 27.3 days, or a month. So the word month actually comes from the word moon, because they have the same starting letters. They come from the same root word, moon and month, because it's M-O and M-O. So they tried to base the moon's rotation, or the moon's phases, on the days in the month, on the time of the for all the phases of the moon to go, and the phases. Thank you for watching. I hope I answered all your questions.